Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve one dart problem. So, question stated, you have to implement the simple calculator. Create a simple calculator in Dart that can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So, the calculator should take two number and one operator. Okay. These are the simple function that I have created. So in this calculator function, you need to perform the logic. First, I will try to use the switch statement where I get this operator. In the first case, will be plus, that will return a plus b. And one more thing, test case that should be done, like for example, if the b number will be 0, then it should print out cannot be divided by 0. So this is also a test case that we have to handle. Okay, so we can do something like this over here while dividing this. First, we can do if the b not is equal to 0, then you can print out a divided by b. If it is if the b is equal to 0, then we are going to print the this state cannot divided by 0. So this is the simple condition. Okay, now we are going to write the default statement as well. Let's say cannot support it operator. In this will case happen if a user enter a invalid operator. Okay, so let me first drive on this thing. This will get the operator -1 divided by this thing. So on my point of view, it this looks nice. Let's see. So this is the answer, and as you can see, these are the expected answer. So I hope you like the video. So thanks for watching.